Frank Borman was born on March 14, 1928, in Gary, Indiana. He began to fly at the age of 15 and graduated from the United States Military Academy in 1950. In the same year, he married Susan Bugby, and they have 2 children together. After, he entered the United States Air Force and became a fighter pilot on the 44th Fighter Bomber Squadron in the Philippines for 5 years. Borman received his Master of Science degree in Aeronautical Engineering from the California Institute of Technology, as well as earning a degree from the Harvard Business School's Advanced Management Program. By 1957, Borman became an assistant professor of thermodynamics and fluid dynamics at West Point and acted as an experimental test pilot for the United States Air Force Aerospace Research Pilot School. In 1962, Borman was selected by NASA to be a potential astronaut candidate. He was sent with Jim Lovell and Gemini 7 to make the first space rendezvous with Gemini 6A. Later, he was chosen to be one of the first men to orbit the moon in the Apollo 8 mission. After the mission, Borman became Deputy Director of Flight Crew Operations for NASA. In 1969, he became Special Advisor to Eastern Airlines and was made Senior Vice President, Operations Group to the company, and later became Chairman of the Board in 1976. He has received many awards, including the Congressional Space Medal of Honor, the Harmon International Aviation Trophy, and more. Frank Borman spent his life and education dedicated to the complexities of space and engineering, and in retirement in 1986, he and his wife purchased a cattle ranch in Montana and reside there today.